So I just wanted to give a summary of the Wolfang ga120. So this is a bit of test footage for the Wolfang ga120. This is without electronic stabilisation. With electronic stabilisation. It's a nice little mid-range vlogging camera, dual screen. It's quite light. The image quality is good. Stabilisation appears to be okay. It works, so you get a decent stable image. Controls, quite simple. Main power, okay. Select for record. Up and down, up for Wi-Fi, and down to change the screens. Up and down arrows also for the menu. I find the menu a little bit on the cronky side because it's not a touch screen. So this is where it starts to come into the budget range. To get into the main menu, you have to keep pressing the power button before you get into the video menu, and then you can turn various options on and off. And once you get to the option that you want to turn on or off or change, you have to press the OK button, move the arrow up. So this was set on time lapse, and I want to turn that off, so I've had to double click the up button to turn it off, and then it's turned off. To come out of that menu screen, you have to keep pressing the power button until you get to the screen that tells you to press the shutter button to exit, and that exits it. So yes, as a camera, as a budget camera, it's a nice little budget camera, selling for around about £70 now. I noticed on Amazon they have come down slightly. To get into the battery space, I'll just turn it off. What you have to do is open up the case and slide the camera out of its bracket. Simply, there are other cameras on the market with the same sort of system, and then you can get into the battery case, which is in there, and there's the battery case. For the memory card, that's just on the side. So one of the downsides with this camera is if you are in any doubt about inclement weather, you must put it into its waterproof case. Otherwise, all of these are open, and therefore you run the risk of damaging the camera. So yeah, quite impressed with the video quality. Menu system could be slightly better. Sound quality, there's no wind noise reduction, and so to do that you need to plug in the wired microphone. We're also using the camera with its wired microphone rather than the inbuilt microphone, which is okay if you are close hand vlogging. For me, we do a lot more off-camera work, and therefore a wireless microphone would be of a great advantage. When it comes to the Wolfang ga420, completely different beast. It looks similar, weighs a lot more. It's a metal case, and this has got a touch screen, so getting into the menu system is much easier. It's on the back. Touch the gear button and you're into the video and imaging part. Touch the gear button again and you come into the other side of the menu, and to come out you just press the back button. Touch screen is far better. The ga420 though is around about £130, so it's nearly double the cost of the ga120. Video quality is superb, stabilisation is superb, and also this has got wind noise reduction. So they are the two Wolfang cameras that we've been assessing. My go-to camera tends to be the Wolfang ga120, but if I want lightweight work, then we pick this one up.